Brian Johnson, the most measured man on the planet, just came out and said his stomach is eating itself. He's tracked more biomarkers than anyone alive, and still he missed an autoimmune condition that was sitting right in front of his eyes for over a decade. And while the internet is having a field day, giving him all sorts of gyan on how he should be eating more meat, how he should turn carnivore, how he should be going out in the sun more often, which I completely agree with, by the way, we're not really talking about two very important things here. At 21, he was diagnosed with hypothyroidism, which turned out to be Hashimoto's, which is an autoimmune condition of the thyroid wherein the immune system attacks the thyroid gland. As expected, standard move, start levothyroxine, which is a synthetic thyroid hormone, and move on. Nobody really asked why the immune system is attacking his thyroid. That untreated root cause didn't disappear, it just spread. Years later, it became autoimmune gastritis. So, while everybody is blaming his vegan diet or his lack of sunlight exposure, I think this autoimmunity started long before he even got on this protocol. Is this protocol adding fuel to the fire? Definitely. And that brings me to point number two. Look at how this man is living his life. He takes 100 pills every single day. That's 100 daily inputs to the liver and the gut that are already managing two autoimmune conditions. His entire diet for the day is done by 11 a.m. He avoids direct sun and uses a UV umbrella instead. And for vitamin D, he would rather rely on a pill than getting it directly from the sun. He simulates sunrise with a 10,000 lux light rather than actual sunlight. His diet is 100% plant-based, not for enjoyment, but for data. Food stripped of pleasure, run purely as an input-output equation. Now, at the center of any autoimmune condition lies a deeply dysregulated nervous system. Can you see how a body that is being run entirely on alarms, algorithms, and 100 daily inputs never gets that one signal it actually needs? Safety. Without safety, the nervous system stays in low-grade sympathetic mode, no matter how perfect the biomarkers look. I've been in the health space for over 5 years now, and my biggest learning has been the more you obsess about health, the sicker you get. Always remember, you don't live to be healthy, you become healthy to live. Also, we are creatures of nature. You cannot optimize a body while isolating it from the very thing that built it. Lastly, I think the optimization culture is really getting out of hands now, and we really need to trust our body's innate intelligence to take care of itself rather than constantly getting in the way.